Hey developers, I just wanted to make a short video here to celebrate the fact that this channel has reached 1000 subscribers, which is just crazy. That's crazy. That went way faster than I thought, and I take this as people are very hungry for knowledge regarding software development in TwinCat. During this short time, I've received tons of positive feedback, which I really appreciate, and it makes me very motivated to continue this journey. I want to thank every single viewer for watching my videos. I've been receiving some questions both here and on my blog and per email, and I thought I'd just answer them here as well. The most common question I get is, which Beckhoff office are you hired at? The answer is that I'm not hired by Beckhoff at all. I have no economical interest in Beckhoff and I don't get sponsored by them. And this is the way I want to keep it in order for me to be neutral and 100% transparent with my opinions. I do all of the material here on YouTube and on my blog and the open source projects that I do on my spare time, simply because software development is my biggest hobby and this is what I enjoy doing. Another question I get quite often is if I want any contributions, donations, or anything alike. The short answer to this is no. The long answer is, well, just as with my blog and my open source projects, my intention is not to earn any money, but I want to contribute to the community. I hope that the automation industry one day will be a little more like the traditional programming community where it's common to share code and knowledge. I think that the last years this has started to change and this makes me very happy. With that said, creating these videos takes considerably amount of resources and especially time. And because I do it as a hobby, it's all done on my spare time after work and on weekends. And this is next to my full-time job. Should I decide to pace up, that is, make more content than I do now, I might set up some form of membership here on YouTube or on Patreon or alike, but only to cover costs of expenses I have to create content here. But this is most likely far away in the future, if ever. Whatever I'll do, in the future, all content I produce here on YouTube will always be free for everyone. Another question I get is, when do I publish the next part of the current ongoing TwinCat 3 tutorial, or if I can send some material in advance in email. I'm going to be a little boring here and just say that I'll publish the next part when it's finished. I want to keep a certain level of quality before publishing, and this unfortunately means it takes time. And as they say, the one who waits for something good always waits too long. With that said, I've bought this happy birthday thing and to celebrate the 1000 subscribers. So, okay, so let's do it. Happy 1000 subscribers, whee! I never done this. This was fun. Oh, messy.